Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Now I am going to explain the project title of ViDE, that is a version based approach for deep web data extraction, which comes under the IEEE 10 section on knowledge and data engineering. This is the abstract of this project. Several systems and languages have been proposed for solving each of these web data management problems, but none of the system addresses all those problems from a unified perspective. Thus, in this paper, the web page is partitioned into blocks using the vision-based page segmentation algorithm. In this paper, we also present an automatic top-down track-tree independent approach to detect web content structure. It stimulates how a user understands web layout structure based on his visual perspective. Comparing with other existing techniques, our approach works well even when the HTML structure is far different from the layout structure. Now I will explain the data flow diagram of this project. Taking a web page as its input, it constructs a DOM tree construction based upon the selected web pages tags. Then it will extract records for the data region identification and its segmentation, and those segmented data regions for a particular selected web pages. It will go for a record alignment, which consists of a pairwise, holistic and a nested structure. So pairwise alignment is nothing but it calculates the similarities among a selected web pages data records, and the holistic alignment will find out its similarity among all the web pages that exist in this data set to provide the relevant web pages. And then nested structure is used to fetch the multiple data values for a selected data regions. So these aligned records will get stored in a DB, so that when the user enters its query to fetch web pages, they can display the relevant web pages based upon this calculated page weight, and ranking those weights. It will sort those results so that the user can select any one of the web page that can be opened in a default browser. Now I will show you the demo of this project. Starting from its load page, I can select any one of the web pages right here, and that can be viewed in a default browser. So now I will extract its source code, and then I will extract its tags to construct the DOM tree. Now I am going to apply the VIPS algorithm among this selected data set. Here I will just identify the data regions and start segmenting each regions, and then I will extract the segmented regions with its corresponding data items. Here I will cluster among all the data regions from cluster 1, cluster 2, cluster 3 and cluster 4. At the next step, I will select the district data regions to start calculating the data regions weight for individual regions, and then here I just displayed the distinct regions and its data items. Now I will just start extracting its data items, and its similarities will be calculated here with the help of the holistic alignment. I just aligned these data items and its records using this table. Now just extract this data items. I will once again calculate its similarities, and starts matching the data items with the help of the holistic alignment. Now next process is a vapor generation. So here I will just display the data regions and its corresponding data items to start evaluating the query. Now here user can now enter any one of the queries like this. Now using this page weight, I will evaluate all the pages weight which contains this color, and here I just ordered the calculated pages weights in a ascending order. and here I just obtained the relevant pages, that is which are contained with the color. That is, here it contains the mobile website with the color, like that. In ViDE website we have this query, and then in car we have the same query. So that's why we get all the relevant pages for the single query. So after this result, it just start calculating the precision values. These are the parameters we are going to use. So these are the formulas, and here I just calculated its values, and finally I obtained the precision result. After this I have to calculate the recall result. So using this formula I just evaluated this recall final answer. So with the help of this previously calculated precision and recall values, I just generated the revision result with the use of this given formula. I obtained this value. So using this calculated graph, I just predicts the graphs comparison among the existing and proposed one with respect to the precision and recall values for the given data sets. Thank you for watching this video.